Okay, I'll get you back, sissy.
Oh. Wrong, Molly.
No. I hate you, Anthony.
How about this one?
How about this one? It's so cute. How about this one? Here, Anthony. Anthony.
Papa, do you have Anthony, do you have an idea?
Anthony. No, Anthony, that one was hers. Molly.
Molly, no.
She's like, my
Anthony, that
ball.
one was hers, okay? You can get it.
Anthony, look, Anthony.
Anthony, go get that one. That one's Molly's, okay? That's just a... You got it? Oh. Molly, no. You have yours. No, don't let her get it.
We should take Molly for a walk.
Molly. Yeah, that's the one we did yesterday night.
Get her used to a leash.
Anthony, you have an idea? Let me hear your idea.
Anthony, I want to hear an idea.
Anthony, do you have an idea?
What are you doing, Molly? I can't see. Don't
Do you have an idea?
Okay, go over there. Go over there.
Yes.
No.
I'm making it.
No. Don't.
Don't hate you because you're beautiful?
Nah, I'm singing a song,
I
Madre.
know. You're so... Hey, stop and taping. Hi. Hey, stop.
What? You taping at Jordan? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, I'm going to turn it off if you do that again.
Okay,
Face-
sorry.
Please stop.
Anthony, do you have an idea?
Can you see my tongue?
Oh.
Look at me.
You're so pretty.
Thank you. Who's taping it? Not me again. Oh.
Okay. Molly.
Anthony, how about you?
Up to the sky. It's
Up
going to come back and hit you in the head. You are.
Where'd
It's behind you.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Anthony, I love you.
He says, he are. Where'd he go, Papa?
Let's go. I'm right here.
He said, are. He said, I'm right here. Oh, be careful. Are you okay?
Oh, she's peeing. Good girl, Molly. Good girl.
Anthony, are you okay? Anthony, are you okay? Say, yeah, I'm okay.
It sounds like he's saying, sorry, I didn't mean
She hasn't
That's
had
what
any
he's saying.
accidents in the house since that one, huh?
No.